This chart highlights a specific reality about Windows users. 70% of people install their software once and never apply a single update, leaving only 30% who actually keep their applications current. These outdated applications represent significant security gaps. While you may not notice it day to day, developers release these updates specifically to patch vulnerabilities that can be exploited in the background. Manually fixing this is a high-friction process. Navigating to individual websites and running separate installers for every piece of software on your drive can take an entire afternoon. There is a native Windows command prompt tool that allows you to bypass the manual search and update every background application simultaneously. By utilizing the built-in Windows architecture, you can ensure your entire software library is patched and optimized in 3 steps. To start, you need a machine running Windows 10 or 11 and an active internet connection. Click on your Windows search bar and type the letters CMD. Hold there. It is important that you do not press the Enter key yet. Look at the right side of the search results. Click right here on the option that says Run as Administrator. When the User Account Control window pops up, click Yes to grant the terminal the permissions it needs. Administrative privileges are necessary because we are authorizing Windows to modify application files across your entire system. For step 2, we will run a diagnostic scan. Type this exact text into the terminal, Winget upgrade. Press Enter. The system is now cross-referencing your installed software against a live cloud database to identify any version discrepancies. The terminal generates a list. You can see the total number of outdated applications found by checking the summary at the bottom of the readout. This list is organized into columns. The current version column shows what is currently on your drive, while the available column shows the newest release found in the database. On a typical machine, it is common to see dozens of apps, from media players to system utilities, that have been quietly falling behind for months. This diagnostic report identifies every specific point where your system is out of date, providing the roadmap for the final step. Now we deploy the master command to process every identified update on that list in a single session. Type the command winget upgrade --all. The 2 dashes before the word all are a critical part of the syntax. When you press Enter, Windows will begin downloading and installing every single package on the list in sequence. Note that the process may pause occasionally to ask you to accept individual software license agreements. Simply type the letter Y and press Enter to clear these prompts whenever they appear. Depending on how many updates were found, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to complete. Do not close the terminal window or shut down your computer while these installations are active. This is a hands-off phase. The system handles the entire queue of downloads and installations automatically. This single command replaces the need to manually track down, download, and execute separate installers for every application on your machine. The process is complete when the text scroll stops and you see the standard blinking command prompt cursor again. Every single background application identified by the scan has now been replaced with its most recent, secure version. This entire system-wide update was finished without having to open a single web browser or app store. Comment below with the number of updates the diagnostic tool uncovered on your system. Using the command line for system maintenance saves significant time. Subscribe for more technical hacks to keep your PC running at peak performance.